Hey there! Everstake launched the newest solution that allows anyone to stake Ethereum from as little as zero point 0.1 ETH. It's 100% secure, which is proven by the ChainSecurity's audit and very easy to use even for beginners. This video will teach you how to unstake your assets. First, go to the Ethereum staking page on the Everstake website. Next, connect your Ethereum wallet by clicking Connect. You can scan the QR code from your mobile wallet or use wallet extensions such as MetaMask, Ledger, or others. After you connect your Ethereum wallet, go to the dashboard section. To unstake your Ethereum, just choose the unstake section. Enter amount you want to unstake and click Unstake. To quickly unstake your Ethereum, use Instant Unstake. Just remember, there are transaction fees which depend on how many interchanges it takes to complete your unstaking. You're in control. You can set the maximum number of interchanges to manage your fees. Fewer interchanges mean lower fees, but might limit how much ETH you can instantly unstake. Any leftover ETH goes into a pending unstake request. You can check it out here. It's essential to take into account that the pool's pending amount dictates the maximum number of interchanges you can make. If you prefer no extra fees and don't mind waiting a bit, choose Pending Unstake. At certain times, the fee for Instant Unstake may be lower than that for Pending Unstake, therefore pay attention to the estimated fees. Let's go for the Delayed Unstake option and observe how it operates. Please wait until the transaction is completed and you will see your balance updated. After the pool fulfills your unstake request, you can withdraw your unstake request amount. Click the Withdraw button and sign the transaction in your wallet. After a short period, your funds will be withdrawn from staking. That's all it takes to unstake your Ethereum from the Everstake pool.